Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I did this very colorful look accompanied by colorful freckles. So the first thing I did that I'm showing you guys there is I mixed the You Better Work eyelid primer with the light concealer to try and get the concealer to get the same consistency as the You Better Work eyelid primer. Now I am just filling in my eyebrows that are already set with soap. And now I am adding some of that primer underneath my eyes because I'm going to go there with the eyeshadow as well. Today I'm using my Zara Cosmetics Gypsy Queen palette again, and I'm taking the color Wanderlust on a fluffy brush, and I'm just stippling it on in the shape that I want, and then I'm blending it out nicely up to the brow, and I'm flicking it out. Now I'm taking a flatter packing brush and I'm taking the color Chime. It's a very neon pink, and I am blending it up, but I'm focusing it on the outer part of my eye, but I'm leaving the inner third of my eye open. I hope that makes sense. And I'm just really focusing on blending Wanderlust and Chime nicely together because I have a spot on my eyelid where the color just does not want to stick. So that is why I'm leaving this part in here. Like I even went in after this and blended it more because I struggled. Now I'm taking that primer mix again, and I am doing something that we learned earlier this week, which is a cut crease. But I'm just doing it in that inner part, and then I'm tapping it out so that it's not like a definite line. Now I'm taking the color Celestial, which is a sparkly shimmery blue, and I'm packing it on. It works nice with your fingers, and it works fine with a brush. Like it's you can't see the difference between applying it with a finger and a brush. It's really shimmery, as you guys can see. And then I'm just blending it outwards, and I'm bringing that top part a little bit over the pink to create a purplish shadow. Now I'm using a lighter pink color called Chic. It has a bit of a shimmer to it, but the shimmer I think was just a top spray, and I'm using it on a angled brush, and I am dusting it underneath my eye and just kind of making that line underneath definite. Now I am taking Wanderlust again on a more stubby brush, and I'm blending Chime out. No, Chic, sorry, I'm blending Chic out. And now I am taking just a white pencil, and I'm placing that in my waterline, bringing it up into my tear duct. Now I'm back with my face done, with my face makeup done, and I'm taking the Zara Cosmetics, it's a color illustrator, color palette thing. I still don't know the name of it. Color artist color, it's grease paint, guys. And I'm taking the gold, and then I'm taking blue, and I took silver and red. Can't remember what else. What was the other colors that I used? Yeah, I think it was just those colors, and I'm making freckles. And now I'm taking a brown lip pencil, and I'm just lining my lips. I will probably make in the near future a video on how I overline my lips in depth. And now I'm just taking a BYS Velvet, my liquid lipstick, and I'm just placing a little bit, and then I'm moving it out. Moving it out, not moving, it's not the word, I can't speak English today. Now I'm taking my Essence / Princess, and I'm doing Liberal Coats top and bottom, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a very colorful look and also a very blended look. So yeah, with a dark lip. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.